When you come into the room of the cottage that Sandra and I are staying in for Allison's wedding, the cottage is called Helicopter. And when you open the door, that's exactly what's in here. A real honest-to-goodness Vietnamese era helicopter with the insignia, the Coast Guard name, and rotors extending into the ceiling. And on this side of the cottage there's a little wood stove and a seating area. And as we move around the cottage, past the helicopter, complete with radar nose and windshield wipers, we come to the other side of the cottage with the helicopter, its landing gear set, and of course the bedroom and a screened-in porch. And if you go a little further, there's a jacuzzi tub, closets, a bathroom, steam shower, and back again you see the helicopter, complete in every detail. And inside the helicopter is where we'll go next.